With our chair for APRO and our APRO bicameral members,
Hi, Chief Romy.
please kindly convey to the entire AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350.
So ngayon po mga kabayan, pakinggan po natin itong pagtawag ni Martin Romualdez kay Chief Browner ng AFP. So kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot sa notification bell para updated ka sa mga panibagong videos. So ano pang tatagalan po natin? Let's go!
As we committed, I'm here with our chair for APRO and our APRO bicameral members.
So dito mga kabayan, kinausap ni Tambaluflos si Chief AP Browner. Dahil alam naman natin na nabalitaan siguro ni Tamba na bumaliktad na si Browner, kaya nga na tinatawagan niya agad na meron daw siya good news at bibigyan niya ng tira sa kaban ng bayan.
Whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. As a speaker in the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo. And we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Okay.
I will relate this, sir, to the troops on the ground, and then I will visit my speech during the AFP.
So that is signed here in the BICAM. It will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the president will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we are committed in Zambales to you and to the troops. Mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th at Aguinaldo.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Thank you.
Magandang regalo ito sa mga sundalo, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
Yes, sir.
We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you. Bye.
Sir, salamat. Thank you.